بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتال، بقيت هيك أشوف الفيديوهات، باحاول إني أفهم الاستراتيجية من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البداية، مثلًا بافتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما باعرف من وين بابلش من هون، من هون، ما كانت عندي رؤية واضحة. بعدين قُلت أوكي، خلّيني بابلش آخذ الدورة معهم، أشوف كيف الوضع. Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So before we start, sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit sick. But when I was checking the examples that you have sent, I was very encouraged that most of you guys has located the right fractal on gold today. So we are on the 3-minute chart, 5-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. It will not change anything. So most of you has located this fractal, and this is very encouraging that I see many people locate the same fractal and get the same idea. So you work with this fractal right here. When you scale it in this way, you will get an idea that after the breakout of this low right here, you will have a rejection to this level right here. And this is very interesting and very good. But always, if we try to look for professional touches on the chart, we need to look and we need to expand our vision, okay? So no one discovered this today, but with time you will get this experience. With experience on the chart, you will discover the fractals in this way. So instead just of looking to this fractal right here, it doesn't matter for me if it's a Y model or in one direction. For me it's a fractal, okay? So this fractal give me self-similarity on the big movement right here, okay? So I will come and I will look to the uptrend right here before this fractal, okay? So when I take all this movement now, I will take it right here. I will not just run to the chart and try to scale it. No, I need to understand this one, okay? So I can see right here I have an uptrend, okay, and then downtrend, and then this noise or this range right here, and then a downtrend, okay? And finally I see this fake breakout or this breakout and then strong uptrend, okay? So as we have seen before, we'll manage to take this long position right here after the breakout of this low, okay? So what is the idea behind that this fractal? That this small touch right here or this small uptrend right here, when I take it to the chart right here, it will give me more confirmation for my fractal, okay? In this way. So right here, I put this low at the same level with this low, the same thing right here with this high. So right here, I have more precision and I have more trust on my fractal that it will place on the right way, okay? So try always to focus on these small touches on the chart, how I can benefit from these small movements right here. Another thing, maybe someone will ask, why when you take this fractal, okay, why you didn't scale it from here? Because if I scale it in this way, you can see that this pullback right here will not be covered, okay? So this is a wrong way to scale the fractals. So when I take it right here and scale it from this low, I will not have any problem with the pullbacks. Maybe a pullback will not be covered and everything will be right, okay, in this way. So try to focus, as I said, on these small touches on the chart. Try to focus on the small precision that you can see also on the chart. This is very important. So this was our fractal, and from there we have the strong uptrend. The same thing right here. And the most important thing, that the price right here at this point didn't touch the trend line. The same thing right here. This is can give me more confidence on my fractal. I will be more confident to take my long position right here, okay? So that's it for today. See you next time. Have a nice weekend.